So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is our second video of learning Men full stack development. Now we'll start reading this. Excellent. Let's move on to the next essential step. Right now, if you make any changes in server.js, you have to stop the server with Control C in the terminal and restart it node server.js to see the changes. This is slow and annoying. Let's fix this. That okay. Step 4. Auto restarting the server with Nodemon. We'll use a developer tool called Nodemon. It watches your files and whenever you save a change, it automatically restarts the server for you. It's a massive time saver. Okay, install Nodemon. We'll install this as a dev dependency. This means it's a tool only needed for development, not for final production server. We'll use -d or save dev flag for this. Okay, now I will copy this npm install -d nodemon. I will open terminal. I am in shopsphere backend. I will copy paste npm install -d nodemon. Yeah, it is installed. If you look at your package.json file now, you will see nodemon listed under dev dependency. Okay, we'll open our VS Code. Now we'll look into package.json dev dependencies. Yeah, nodemon is installed 3.1.11. If you look, create a dev script. We can add our custom comments to our package.json file in the script section. This makes running our projects easier. Open your package.json and modify the script spot to look like this. Yeah, we'll copy this from or else I will copy from here only inside script only. We'll add this. Yeah, uh, from add this. We make this format. I format it now. I formatted that. Then start a standard command for running the application in production. Our new command for running the server in development mode using Nodemon. Okay, now we'll use from now on dev only. Run the server with the new script. Now stop your old server if it is still running. No, our server is not yet running. Start it again using a new script. I'll copy this. I'll open terminal. Hold on. I will copy paste. Now we'll start. Yeah, it is starting. Nodemon. See, you can see the Nodemon. Watches paths. Watches extension. Now it started. Now we'll copy this. Now I'll open. I will paste here. Yeah, see it's running. You will see output from Nodemon. It will say it's watching for changes. Now go back to server.js, change the welcome message and just save the file. You will see the server restart automatically in the terminal. No more manual restarts. Okay, we'll change. I'll go to server.js. Okay, now instead of this, we'll use used nodemon. Save. I saved it. I'll open. I'll refresh. Yeah, see, I didn't restart it, so it's again restarted after changes. It get restarted. Okay, so no more manual restarts. Step 5, structure our API. Creating our first API endpoint. Our server needs to do some more than just saying welcome. It needs it needs to provide data. This done through API endpoints. An API endpoint is just a specific URL on our server that provides a specific piece of data or performs a specific action. Our first Shopsphere project, we'll need we'll need endpoint like get API products, get get a list of our products, API products of ID, get a single product by its ID, API users login, log a user in. Okay, let's create our first a endpoint to get a list of products. We'll use a dummy like that is fake data for now. We'll connect it to a real database later. Create a dummy data at the top of our at the top of your server.js file, but below the imports, add a simple array of products. I'll copy this. I'll open server.js. Below imports, I will add this. Here I will add. Yeah, I added this. I saved it. Create a create the products endpoint now. Now add a new route below your existing route. I'll copy this. Get all products to get all products. We'll paste below this thing existing route. Yeah, I add this. Now notice the URL is slash API slash end products. It's a common convention to prefix all the API routes with API. Instead of res.send, we are using res.response.json. This automatically formats our JavaScript array into proper JSON format, which is standard for APIs. Yeah. Our entire server.json should look like this. Okay. Yeah, we add dummy data. Below this only we add our this route. Now test the API endpoint. Make sure your server is running. Now instead of your browser, let's use Postman or Thunder client. Create a new request. Set the method to get. Enter the URL. Set it send. Okay. I'll copy this URL. What I will do instead of Postman, we'll use our Thunder client. I'll open Thunder client. Copy paste here. Now it's already get method. Will it send? Okay. See, able to get three data: laptop pro, wireless mouse, React t-shirt. You should see the list of three products returned perfectly in JSON format. We have seen you have successfully created a real API endpoint that shows data. This is a use step. Ready for our next Notion note. Okay, here is the draft for second note. Let me know if it looks good. From here, title. It has given all the things. It has Nodemon dev dependency. Okay, endpoint. Good JSON. Yeah, it has an overall point. I'll copy until this. I will save in my Notion note. Control V. I will change this to H3. H3 toggle. Or else what I'll do, I'll copy this only just H3. Now it is not working good. From here to, or else I will create H3 here only. Here to until here. I add this here. Control X, Control V. Yeah, our second thing is ready. Now, yeah, we have saved our Notion notes, right? So this is it, guys. If you want that Notion note link, I will share you, and I will make that Notion note as a public. So please let me know in the comment section. So till then, keep watching. Thank you.